Hello, I'm Kerry from Proquip, and today I want to demonstrate to you how to correctly put on a backpack vacuum. It doesn't really matter which brand it is. Today here I've got with me an RSV 150 from Pneumatic. So first of all, I've made sure the straps have as much length in them as possible, because we can tighten these later. Then I'm going to put it over one shoulder, put my hand back and find the loop of the other one. We can get that sitting nice and snug. The main point of a vacuum cleaner on your back is that your back itself doesn't take the weight, particularly your shoulders. If you get sore shoulders when wearing a backpack vacuum, the chances are you're not wearing it correctly. So now put these over my shoulders. I'm now going to get the waistband. We'll put that round, because that's going to carry a large part of the weight of the vacuum. The next thing I'm going to do is to find the two tags here and just make them a little bit tighter so it's comfortable. They shouldn't be so tight that the backpack is sitting hard and against your back. It should be sitting nice and snug so there's no weight. You should be able to easily get two fingers underneath the top of the straps here. This other strap here, buckling that in, just helps these two straps not start falling off my shoulders, particularly when I'm bending one way or the other. So that is how to correctly fit a backpack vacuum. And just remember, the main weight of the vacuum should be around your hips, not on your shoulder blades. If you have sore shoulders, you're wearing it incorrectly. Hope this has been helpful. Thank you.